Hey guys, this is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Pete 389 factory built glider kit. It's got a 12.7 Detroit 13 speed, 795 total on it, and 5,000 miles on the engine overhaul. Gotten it hot, gonna do a full walk around, show you blow by, oil pressure, everything that you want to see as if you're standing here. Southern truck, there's no rust anywhere. Body and paint are good. A little scratch here on the bottom of the back half of the Been hauling flatbeds, so you've been protected on the back half here, the headache rack. Got new drives on it. Actually yeah, the drives are new. The steers are at least 70%. Only real ding on it I see is on this step here. Up at temp, low side oil pressure is really good, super smooth through the RPMs, oil pressure jumps up like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.